CES coverage sponsored by GoDaddy.com, the leader in domain names, web hosting services. New customers save 25% by using promo code CES25 at GoDaddy.com.
The CES coverage is sponsored by Luxor, Las Vegas. Get to the point. Rooms start at $40. You can go over to tpn.tv for the Luxor advertisement, which is the gateway to savings.
CES coverage sponsored by Audible.com, where books come alive. Listen to a bestseller on your iPod or MP3 and get a free trial at audiblepodcast.com/CES.
Oh, we've got Dino here. I think, yes, Dino Vamshi. Is that how you pronounce it? All right, there's your headset right there.
Okay.
Now, we were introduced to you last year. I remember Andy McCaskey, one of the team members, saw your stuff about 6 months prior to CES, and he got super excited. I mean, we're talking super excited with the product. So why don't you tell us a little bit about what Dino is and what you got here?
So Dino is a video streaming company.
We need
Hang
some
on 1 second.
Okay, go for it.
Okay. Dino is a video streaming company, and we are here to revolutionize how the video is streamed and how it's shared, the whole life cycle, everything from capture of the video streams at very high quality to distribution of the video on the web, to sharing, social sharing on Facebook and Twitter and so on and so forth. And that's one part of the cycle, which generally the broadcaster will see. But the other part, which is like behind the scenes, is how many people are watching, the analytics, which videos are more popular, and then the real goal that most of the broadcasters want to accomplish is either promotion of their content or monetization of the content. So we provide both promotion and monetization aspects. And that's kind of, in a nutshell. And as we talk about the whole video life cycle, online video life cycle, the first part, which is capturing video. So we have a software called the Dino Universal Broadcaster, DUB. We call it DUB. And so what it does is essentially,
We'll put it right here. That way we can have everybody
Jack
see it.
can focus on that.
Okay, go for it.
Okay, great. So Dino Universal Broadcaster DUB, basically what it lets you do is it lets you share anything that you see on your computer. It could be a PowerPoint presentation, it could be a live video feed. For example, this one coming from a camcorder, PowerPoint presentation, as I mentioned, or a very high graphics intensive game, PC game, like a World of Warcraft, StarCraft 2, and so on and so forth.
So you can actually share just like a window that's on?
Yeah,
a small window.
exactly. You can share a particular window you want to share, PowerPoint, etc., or a live video feed. Or you can also choose to share the entire desktop.
Okay.
And basically this requires various settings, resolution, frames per second, and all of these, and bandwidth, of course, to be set up. So Dino Broadcaster comes with preset settings for each one of these artifacts, whether it's video or movies or video games, etc. Now, what we have done yesterday at CES, maybe I can highlight this one, is we took the Easy Broadcaster and bundled with this device.
Which is a hardware device?
Yeah.
You just set it right on top there.
So what this device does is essentially it converts, it essentially makes any camcorder ready for live streaming.
And that's called the MyGika?
MyGika. The company name is Genia Tech.
Okay.
It's a Shenzhen company based out of China.
Okay.
It is essentially a cable that takes RCA feed as input and then outputs a USB.
Oh, okay.
And
so it takes analog to USB.
USB, exactly. So instantly any camcorder is ready for live streaming. We have, with this announcement...
This is for like an SD camcorder? It doesn't handle high def, does it? HD?
Correct, yes. So this handles SD high quality, but for HD, they have another capture card called HD Cap Express.
Okay.
We have integrated with that as well. So the level of integration we have done is in their control panel, essentially, which is this. This is the Easy Grabber control panel, this panel that you see. We have added a Dyyno D on top
switch
of
over,
it.
check. There we go.
Okay, now go ahead and show it.
Yeah. So this is the Easy Grabber cable that converts RCA to USB, as you can see, from camcorder to PC, connected PC. And on the PC, you will get the video feed like this using the software coming from that cable. Video capture device. Now, once it's on the video capture device, what we've done is we have put the Dyyno Dyyno broadcaster, as a button right on the panel. The beauty of this is basically there is about 1 million customers of Genie at capture devices between HD and the SD capture devices. A click of a button, you're live streaming.
Wow.
Just click of a button, it selects exactly the window that you want to stream, and it's streaming out. So that's essentially the power of it.
So the whole sequence would be you attach your camcorder through this device.
Correct.
Through a USB port to your computer.
Yeah.
And then you run the software, and then you're able to click a button, and then you're live
You're
streaming.
streaming live. Because Dyyno is already bundled in the software, it's already installed.
Okay.
And you're streaming live. Of course, you need to create your account, which is your channel name and password, which is a one-time activity. And once you do that on your PC, Dyyno will remember your username and password.
Okay.
And of course, I have a Roku, and I know you guys are on Roku. What other over-the-top television platforms are you on?
Absolutely. So we are on Roku soon enough. So we are doing other devices. We are working on Voodoo.
Okay.
So putting out Dyyno on Voodoo. So essentially what we've seen is among our customer base, they would like to distribute video content on over-the-top devices. Classic example is one of our recent customers, Miss California, USA, streamed the event live. They didn't go main broadcast TV. They went over the top. They streamed live. We, along with Justin TV partnership, have delivered 1 million+ views of the pageant.
Wow. Okay.
Wow.
250,000 unique viewers.
Okay.
And specifically, of these viewers, over 2,000 US households watched it on the Roku device. So it's becoming, among our customers, we're seeing more and more people want to distribute content outside of broadcast television. They want to distribute content on Roku, on Voodoo, and soon enough, internet-connected TVs like Samsung and Vizio and so on and so forth. They also want to distribute on mobile, iPad, and so forth. So it's like multi-device viewing.
So if I click that button, if I'm streaming this from my camera and I click that button to say go ahead and stream it,
right?
How does the viewers view it on their? Do they have to log into my account or what's?
Yeah. So on the web, like on PC or Mac, you go to a URL, dyyno.com/techpodcast, for example.
Whatever my name is.
Exactly.
My account, okay.
Vamshi. And then they will see a thumbnail of the live video, and then they can click on it and it starts streaming live.
Okay.
In fact, we support multiple live streams. So using your channel on 2 different computers, you can start off 2 different streams and it'll show up under the same channel.
Yeah. Can I brand that and have it go into my own website and have like a
Absolutely.
to be able to see?
Yeah. So on that page, dyyno.com/techpodcast, for example, there is the player, and then in the player we have embed links, which we can use to embed on any website.
Okay. Okay. And then for Roku, do you have a channel, or how is that?
Yeah, absolutely. So we have a channel on Roku. It's Dyyno channel. Essentially, it's set up as a portal. It's more like, some of our customers, they don't want to create a branded channel. They want to start off with something quick. For them, literally, in minutes, you can create a channel on the web and start streaming live using the easy broadcaster setup that I just mentioned. And you switch over to Roku, get the Dyyno channel, select your channel there, and you're streaming live instantly on Roku. I mean, it's...
Wow, that's fast.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the easy way to get published.
Totally.
All right.
But there is the other way, which is we do customer branded channels on Roku as well.
Yeah. I know that Andy does have a channel there with the RV Newsnet. So
absolutely, I'm looking forward to all the great stuff that he's going to do soon.
Well, once he gets that started, which is very, very soon. So, all right. Well, if anybody has any questions, they go to
dyyno.com/easyb,
and that's DYYNO. easyb.
Did we
Like
look at
Easy
a price
Broadcaster.
point for this?
Easy Broadcaster. What's that?
Did we get a price point for this?
Oh yeah, is there a price point for the
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Easy Grabber?
This one, Easy Broadcaster, which is basically the device plus Dino software, is $30.
Okay.
And it gives you free broadcasting, and
That includes an account that you can create on
exactly.
your site?
It gives you a free account. With that, basically, you can stream up to 50 hours per month, and you can upgrade that streaming service from 50 hours to 300 hours by paying $19 per month.
Oh.
And then there's the other pricing models as well. At if you go further up, it's $149 per month, and you get 3,000 viewer hours.
Okay.
All of these come with video storage. So with the free one, you get 1 gigabyte of video upload storage, because we support live VOD and linear. And so 1 gig, 10 gig, and 100 gig across these three.
Sounds great.
All right.
All
Well,
right, good.
Vamshi, thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Can't wait to see what Andy does with Dino, and we'll be checking that out.
This is a device for you.
I'm sorry.
Complimentary.
Oh, thank you very much. We should probably give this away.
Yeah, totally. And
Let's do this.
let's do that. Yeah.
Let's give this away. If you all you have to do is go over to tpnces@gmail.com, tpnces@gmail.com. Email that and say, well, let's do Easy Grabber in the subject line. Easy Grabber in the subject line. We'll be giving away one of these a couple weeks after the show. So tpnces@gmail.com. All right. Well, thanks again.
Sounds
Thank
great.
you very much.
Take care.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Well, that was some great stuff over at Dino. Where are we?
We're there.
Oh,
Yeah,
we got a lot. What'd you think of that?
That was great.
That was
I
a
think
lot of fun, yeah.
Just nice, easy, simple way to do streaming. I mean,
Yeah,
you can
I
easy way
totally
to get
agree.
started.
A little bit
Especially get on
streaming.
Roku, too.
Oh yeah, you need some good solutions. Get on Roku.